Hey there, YouTube land. Let's do another home inspection. Today I'm inspecting an older house that has a lot of problems. You will not believe all the problems I find in this house. So get your favorite popcorn ready, your favorite drink ready. Let's get into it. Alright, we're starting things off with a tree that is growing pretty close to the house. Probably time to trim that back so it doesn't damage the house. Those bricks are not in very good condition, are they? This receptacle outside the house, pretty old, and it should be GFCI protected. Those sill joints probably could use some caulking. These windows and doors are pretty close to the ground. Here in Canada we get snow, so we get snow piled up against the windows and doors. Snow starts to melt, it's going to leak into the house. I would say that's in terrible condition. Downspout extension, not long enough. And we got some more damaged bricks. We got a little bit of mortar cracking. And more mortar cracking. This wire is not inside of a conduit. This basement window, again close to grade, and the sill's damaged. And this vent cover, well, something's wrong there, that's for sure. Another old receptacle, not GFCI protected. And this air conditioner looks quite old. It's actually starting to corrode on the outside. Foundation crack. And another downspout, not a long enough extension. That shed looks a little bit rough. A wood door sill with nothing covering it? And the door has no sealant around the sides of the door. That's right, it's a heat vent inside the garage. Oh, and there's another vent up in the corner there for some strange reason. And the automatic door opener is plugged into an extension cord. That's not safe. The electrical plug was tested as reversed, and it's loose. No handrail. Wiring just sitting on the ground, probably not safe. Another old outlet, and it was tested as reversed. Just a tad loose. Receptacles by sinks always need to be GFCI protected. Old receptacle and no cover. Where is the cover? And that doesn't look good. Loose wire. And more loose wires. That electrical panel does not have very good working space. What do you think? No cover on that junction box. Another old receptacle tested as reversed. There's an opening in that junction box. Not safe. Anytime you have a receptacle near water, it needs to be GFCI protected. Another loose wire. Whenever you have wires touching a duct, there needs to be insulation separating the two. I had to look down this floor drain and I don't see any standing water. That could be bad. Yep, you're seeing it right. This water heater is sitting on bricks. That can't be very stable. That light appears to be damaged. And this furnace ABS vent, it's pretty old. I usually just recommend just getting it replaced when you replace the furnace. And yet another reversed receptacle. That sounded a little strange. No cover. And it looks like there's some efflorescence, a bit of moisture staining at the bottom of that foundation wall. That's not right. And once again, when you have receptacles close to a sink, they need to be GFCI protected. Not GFCI protected, once again. And again, not GFCI protected. This one's a GFCI, but it's tested as reversed. That's not right. We got a stove, but where's the exhaust? And then I had a look in the attic and there was mold everywhere. Time to call the remediation company.